Welcome to ASM Elite Apartments by Briklay, where luxury meets elegance. Located in the heart of Kakinada's Nagar. A magnificent 70 square feet, 3-bedroom apartment. With its east and west-facing configuration and king-sized bedrooms and kitchen, you will be privy to breathtaking views from every corner. Discover the epitome of modern luxury living with the high-quality, contemporary construction of the ASM Elite. Experience spacious living with high ceiling spaces that are designed for excellent cross-ventilation, allowing you to breathe in fresh air and natural light. Be indulged in luxury with top-of-the-line finishes and fixtures, each handpicked and installed to elevate your living experience. And when it comes to after-sales support, you can rest assured that you are in good hands with the dedicated team at Briklay. With a commitment to providing the best possible service, you can trust us to be there for you long after you've moved in. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of modern luxury living. Schedule a tour today and discover the ASM Elite for yourself. Reach us now and take the first step towards living in luxury at the ASM Elite. We look forward to welcoming you to your new home. Briklay Constructions. Built like a rock.